Hey guys, so I told you all OnePlus is not playing games anymore and this is your actual real look to the mind-blowing OnePlus 9 Pro. So after all the anticipation, rumors, leaks and tons of speculations about camera, we finally know that OnePlus is dang serious about the OnePlus 9 Pro. They are partnering with a giant Swedish brand Hassleblad for the camera, so that is insane. Yeah, also by the way, I am giving away a brand new OnePlus 9 smartphone after its launch. So if you want to win one, you can check Gleam link and rules in the description after watching this video. So the images come courtesy Dave Lee, and on front you can see we have a curved display. It is as curved as the OnePlus 8 Pro. So great news for curved display lovers like me. A punch hole selfie shoot on top left corner, and display settings shows we have 120Hz at Quad HD plus resolution, which is no shocker. Now exciting part is OnePlus might use a 10-bit display and it is gonna be better than last year's panel. This one is coming with Snapdragon 888 5G CPU and Oxygen OS 11 on top, so performance, specifications and display all look good. The design also has a proper cutout for volume and power key, which shows it is an expensive one. Now main highlight which OnePlus was missing from last few years, the last missing piece towards a proper killer flagship is finally here. So OnePlus is joining hands with an expensive Swedish brand Hassleblad for the camera. They are so good and expensive, like it's not often we see a partnership like this. So according to the leaked specifications, we may see IMX766 or a custom made IMX789 primary shooter, a super wide camera with IMX766, a telephoto lens with 3.3x zoom. Some of the information may change, we don't have an exact information on the camera specifications though. But it is now clear OnePlus is pretty serious about this stuff. They surely have done loads of investment for this camera setup. Now the interface of camera application shows we do have some exciting features inside, which I mentioned a few days back. This confirms tilt shift, which can take miniature like images, and some information also shows we are getting moon mode, a starburst mode while shooting images with sun, hyperlapse and focus speaking. So a tons of exciting features coming in. OnePlus is also adding 45 watts of wireless charging plus 60 watts of fast wired charging, which is always insane. And a pretty cool specifications, I would say. This is all guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, do participate in the giveaway and peace out.